Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add sticky notes to a Miro board. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time here in Miro, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding sticky notes in Miro offers several benefits that can enhance collaboration, organization, and creativity in virtual and remote work environments. Now, sticky notes are ideal for capturing ideas quickly during brainstorming sessions because they allow team members to jot down thoughts, suggestions, or questions in a concise format. For you to add sticky note in Miro is a very easy and a straightforward process because all you have to do is hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on the sticky note. Now, you see, there's a lot of templates here. You can choose a different color that you wanted. For example, I'm going to be choosing the aquamarine blue. Just put it anywhere here. Maybe this one. All right. And of course, you can add anything here. All right. Now, the sticky notes, if you put something here, it helps organize scattered ideas into coherent themes or categories on a virtual whiteboard. They can be easily moved right here. Move, grouped, and rearranged to create structure and clarity. Now, if you click again on the sticky note, you see an option that says bulk mode. Now, you can simply add this here. It will enable teams to map out workflows, processes, or project timelines visually. They serve as a milestone, tasks, or stages that can be easily adjusted as plans evolve. And after that, all you're going to do is click on done. And there's a lot, all right? That's going to be the bulk. Now, you see there's an option here for the font size, font style, switch type, the fill color. If you want it, you can also show the author, all right? Add tag, add emoji, cluster objects, comment, especially if you're working with a team and collaborators within a specific project or a organization. Now, you see, if you add more sticky notes here, maybe this one, you can put it anywhere here. It enhances productivity, promotes creativity, and improves communication among team members by providing a dynamic and interactive platform for brainstorming and collaboration. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.